Well, welcome back to the 30 days of selling, where we're learning how to sell our stuff, make more money, and live life to the fullest. Today is day 4 of this 30 days where I'm teaching people how anything and everything about selling that you might want to know, selling stuff. And today is day 4, how to clean items. And so how to, like, if you have something you're going to sell, you need to clean it first, because items that are clean sell for more. And typically I've found out that when I sell something that's dirty as opposed to selling something that's clean, I can typically expect anywhere from a 35 to 40% price increase. And it could take, a minute or 5 minutes, and depending on what it is, and it's completely worth it. So I'm going to show you right now the things and products that I use to clean my things to sell. Okay, so these are a few of the products that I have to clean my various products that I have to sell. First one I'd say to get is, or good to have, is a glass cleaner or Windex. It works great. Next after that, just a general multi-purpose cleaner will work well. I also like to have Goo Gone. I really think that helps get some sticky stuff off. This is just glue. I mean, this can work to fix other things, like if something's coming apart, you can have a spray glue like this will work really good. Then WD-40 is good to have to clean metal or whatnot, like get the rust off. Then let's see what we else got here. This is like electronic cleaner. Oh, these are two good things to have as well. This is electronic cleaner, but this right here, this is a leather cleaner and a leather moisturizer. So these are really good if you have anything leather. It really can work wonders on it. And then also the number one thing that I would say, besides having a rag to use with maybe just water, is to get a couple, or here's super glue, but get a couple magic erasers. They will work wonders on anything, practically everything, to get the marks and scuffs out. And if you can do that, then it will make your item look nicer, appear better cared for, and will result in that boost of income that we're looking for. Alrighty, so here it is. This is what you're probably waiting to see from a long time ago. These are my polo boots. The time is here now, and we're going to try to clean this little mark off of it. So I have my trusty handy dandy microfiber cloth, and we'll use some of this Coach leather cleaner. I'm sure any leather cleaner will probably work though. So you can see I'm just going to get some on here. Okay, there we go, got some on there. And now I'm going to just apply it to there and see what we get. There it is with a little leather cleaner. Let me give it a little leather moisturizer now, and we'll see how good it turned out. Like I said, just this leather moisturizer. Just for reference purposes, I'll do this side too. And look at that, you can't even hardly tell. You can't even hardly tell that had that spot on that. If even. And so now that you got that, the tread looks great on these. So I would say, I mean, these now cleaned up look practically brand new. I'll give them a little bit more polishing and that'll be great. And so I would say now I've just increased the value of these easily 35 to 40%. And that's it. So if you come back tomorrow on day 5, I'm going to teach you how to photograph your items. And you might say, I just can take one picture and that's fine. It could be, but just like cleaning the items today, taking better photos and understanding how to take better photos of your items will actually help them sell quicker and for more money. So I'll see you tomorrow. Now, if you found this video to be enjoyable or you've learned anything from it at all, please could you do me a favor and click that like button down below. You don't even have to smack it. You could just gently come up and just give it a little tap. And that would be nice. I would really appreciate that. But if you want to smash that like button, that would be good too.